All right, so you got through section one, you got through the first day of the course. Now what's next? Well, you got two homework assignments, and surprise, surprise, they're journaling prompts. So you need to get yourself a little notebook. I got one here, just lined paper, really. Um, or if you have an iPad, you could, if you have an iPad and pencil, you could handwrite. I don't recommend typing. Spend time actually just letting your body flow out these thoughts is a lot more beneficial than typing, because something about moving that hand to those words that you're writing as you think them, there's just a deeper connection with that. So definitely write, or if you're going to do it digitally, make sure you're still writing with a pen on your digital paper. So, homework assignment number one: spend time journaling about your fears in trading, and you got to be okay with them and aware as they arise during your trading. So, spend time thinking about what stresses you out in trading, what do you get emotional about in trading, and then be okay with them. They're going to be there. You can't just decide to get rid of them, but you need to know when they arise that they are there, and that's not something you need to act on. So, through this journaling process, really think about your past in trading, or what, if you haven't traded yet and you're still building yourself up, think about what would get you emotional and get you, anxious and fearful when trading, and just really understand these. Homework assignment number two, again, journaling prompt. You need to journal about the times you were trading when you did not have self control, and how to overcome them. How can you be aware and build self control? So it's kind of building off of that first assignment. And if you are actively trading, think about the times. What arose, those fears, those emotions, and then you did once that happened, you didn't have control of yourself and you started acting as if you were someone else, right? You are not the person you had with these rules and systems in place, and you act about in ways that are not aligned with you, and maybe you took a loss or whatever, right? So spend some time thinking about all your past trades, and then start pinpointing specific times when you were kind of had no self control. You were doing things you knew were wrong, but you did them anyways. And you want this to flow out, because we're not going to be that type of person or trader anymore. We're going to build you up to become disciplined, have self control, and start focusing on what works. So don't cheat this. Really spend some time in your journaling prompts today. And we'll see you tomorrow in your next section of this course.